Good morning guys, it's Ali from Brownlows in Darlington. We have another new stock arrived. Peugeot Rifter, this is a diesel version. It only has 8,300 miles on the clock and it's priced at $39,995. I'm going to show you the van inside. Now this is a 3-seater van, but it's also been professionally modified for wheelchair access. There you go, as easy as that. And it also has an electric winch that you hook that to the wheelchair and that just pulls your wheelchair inside. Looking at the spec inside guys, like I said, it has got 3 seats, 2 in the front and 1 at the back, and then you have a wheelchair access. It only has 8,300 miles on the clock. It's a 5-speed manual diesel. It's a very good on fuel. The insurance group is very low as well. There's no VAT on this vehicle. The car comes with a 12 months MOT, no advisories, and a service and a 3-month warranty. So please do give us a ring on 01325 484870 or visit our website brownlowscars.co.uk. Thank you.
Welcome to Brownlows Cars. If you're looking for great savings on quality used cars, be sure to like, subscribe, for more updates on our latest stock and amazing deals. Join the Brownlows Cars family today.
Brownlow Cars, the name you can trust. 351 Haughton Road, Darlington, DO1 2BP, 01325 484 870.